A major North American refinery was experiencing severe fouling across 3 critical delayed coking unit heaters. Inside the convection sections, heavy deposits were restricting heat transfer and reducing thermal efficiency to nearly 50% of design performance. The imbalance was increasing radiant section demand, driving higher fuel consumption and accelerating coking risk. Previous dry ice and chemical cleaning methods had delivered inconsistent results and limited recovery. IGS deployed its TubeTech robotic convection section cleaning system across all 3 heaters. Using remotely operated cleaning technology, the system achieved up to 95% cleaning coverage across complex tube geometries while eliminating confined space entry risks. The project was completed in just 9 shifts with 0 safety incidents. Post-project evaluation confirmed measurable improvements across all 3 heaters, including up to 25% convection duty recovery, lower flue gas temperatures, reduced fuel consumption, and improved operational reliability. The cleaning also reduced radiant heat flux, helping stabilize operations and lower future coking risk. To support future maintenance, engineered access doors were installed to enable faster repeat interventions and reduce downtime. Restored heat transfer, more reliable operation. That's asset vitality.